Alright everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders and analysts. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. How is everybody? Happy Monday, Tuesday, happy Wednesday. I thought it was Thursday already. Happy Wednesday everybody. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill. You can learn, right? My goal for you is to bring you from zero to hero in about 3 years. So you need to invest some time. And welcome to the Technical Forex and Crypto this year, Crypto Trading Course 101. This is for beginner traders, everybody. And never forget, I'm looking for traders. Today we're having market structure and trends, consolidation inside the trend. And so we're going to work on number 3 today. Not much is charting. And if you want a free manual, send me an email, everybody, with your real name. Okay, so you can receive the free manual. So it's not lesson number 9, but anyway, consolidation inside the trend. Give me a second. Consolidation is confirmed, alright, suggestion, 75, all good. Trading concepts, consolidations are traded by the floor, sell the ceiling, now taking in consideration the long and medium term trend are up, okay. Reread this concept, all good. Forex course 1, the market sometimes is going to expand the consolidation. This is good to know, right everybody? You have a smaller consolidation and then the market is going to expand consolidation. You know, how not to lose money to read a bigger pattern. And alright, that's it, right? So let's go to J-Forex, everybody. And so consolidation inside the trend. Okay, everybody. We've learned already that consolidations are a structural part of patterns. So you don't need to fear consolidations, right? Embrace them. Try to understand them. Forex course 101, it's all about the market, how this market works. So consolidations are a structural type in here. Structural part of patterns, so you don't need to fear consolidations. Embrace them, try to. Okay. Hello trading. Hello trading career. I love the emojis, you know. The first one is what? A cyclops, and then it's the mummy. Nice. I love them. Alright everybody, so this is an uptrend, right? And let's say that something like this is going to appear. Then something like this is going to appear. Then something like this is going to appear. And something like this is going to appear. And then something like this. Just an example, alright? Trend line. We've learned about trend lines. Trend line is a tool that confirms a trend. So can you see everybody, you have a consolidation in here. And we are going to clone. And we are going to clone. not clown, we're going to clone. And we're going to clone. And we're going to clone in here. As you can see, everybody, you have consolidations inside the trend, right? And let me trick you. Is this a consolidation too? Yellow circle. Trading career, if you want, if this is your first time with us, if you want the free manual, please send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Doesn't cost you a cent, alright? Everybody, if you want the free manual, just send me an email. And with your, please, with your real name, alright? Trading career, maybe you are for me, right? I'm looking for traders. Trading career, are you new to the financial markets, or are you an advanced, intermediate? Anyway, thanks for being here with us, and I love the emojis. I added the cyclops and the mommy. No, I didn't mommy like the... Oh, come on, you know, they're teasing me on the other streaming platform. So consolidations are a structural part of patterns, so you don't need to fear consolidation, embrace them and try to understand them. And I have a comment on the other streaming platform, everybody. Boss, I don't like to trade consolidations. You don't need to. Alright, everybody? You don't need to trade consolidations. So let's write this down to be recorded. So, trading concept. You don't need to trade consolidations if you don't want to. But at least try to learn about it, about them. What is the about them? Alright, everybody? You don't need to trade consolidations if you don't want. Now, so for the beginner analyst, you are not a trader yet, everybody. For the beginner analyst, you are not a trader yet. Here is the $1 million question. If you don't know that you are in a consolidation, let's take this one in here, right? Just an example. This is the $1 million question, rectangle, all right? So if you don't know that you are in consolidation and the market is like this, all right? Something like this, and you buy the market here. Hello Sam, how are you? Sam, listen to the $1 million question for the beginner trader. If this consolidation is on the daily chart, alright, but on the 1 hour chart, example, 1 hour chart, you are not aware that you are in a consolidation, everybody, and the market comes up to here, you know, and starts to reverse. What are you going to think about your trade? What's the answer? Hello 4K, how are you? Boss, can you repeat please? So for the guys, for the traders, for the student traders, for the analysts, right, that are late. Question number 1 was, is this in a circle a consolidation? This was question number 1. Is this consolidation? And then we move to the second question, which is the $1 million question for the beginner trader. You know, if you are in consolidation on the daily, but you are not aware that you're in consolidation, and on the 1 hour chart example, you are going to buy the market here, and the market is going to start to go down like this, 2 lower lows, 2 lower highs, what are you going to think about your trade? It's all normal, it's all part of understanding the market, it's part of understanding yourself, no biggie, no big deal. You are doing this already, everybody, make sense? You see whatever you see on the chart, you are perceiving whatever you are perceiving on the chart. So you enter here, you could see double tops, double bottoms, whatever, you know, and then you enter here in the market, but then the market makes 2 lower lows, 2 lower highs. Would you think that, oh, this trade is going my way, or would you start to freak out that the market is going to eat all your profits? Would you think, and you're doing this already. Exactly, start journaling, journal your emotions, journal what you think before you enter the market, journal what you are thinking before you exit the market. The journaling is going to help you Thank you 4K for being honest. If I'm not aware of the consolidation on the daily chart, then I'm going to think that I'm wrong. And you're going to do what with your trade? I'm going to let it hit the stop loss. Somebody type on the other streaming platform, I'm going to let to hit the stop loss. Liar, you know. Everybody look at 4K, he is honest. My life is not going to change if you are honest or not. But if you can be honest, you can learn. If you can, I mean, exactly. The beginner trader is going to believe, oh my gosh, the market is going against me. Oh my gosh, there is triple tops. Oh my gosh, you know, the market is going against me and the market is going to eat all of my profit. So me and 4K, we are going to close the trade, right? But then what is going to happen on the 1 hour chart? The market is going to come down to here and bump back up. So me and 4K, we were thinking that we were wrong. Were we wrong really on the direction? Sam says, if I look to the left, I see 2 highs at the same level, so I would sell. Everybody, if you would sell up in here, right? And then the market is going to make two higher highs, higher lows. Same story, right? How many times you find yourself, everybody, how many times you find yourself entering trades for any reason, I don't know your strategy, how many times you find yourself entering trades for any reason and then you close the trade when the market does something like this, or how many times you sell the market, right? And then the market does something like this and you close the trade because you start freaking out and you go on the... Let me ask you a question. Some of you are seasoned, some of you are not. When this happens, does the normal, the common retail trader go on the smaller time frame to check what is happening? Or is the common retail trader going to the higher time frame to check what is happening? What's the answer? And I'm telling you, I have a camera in your room and I'm telling you, you are doing this already. You are freaking out, especially some of you who are not listening and you are on the live accounts and you are freaking out on live accounts and you are closing the trade, right? But before you close the trade, do you go on the higher time frame to check what is happening or do you go on the smaller time frame? And I'm telling you, if you are not going to be honest, I'm going to tell you in the face because I know exactly what you're doing. Oh, you cannot possibly know. I know exactly what you're doing. How do you know, boss? Well, I've been there, done this. Make sense? We are all the same. We are all the same when it comes to trading and emotions and freaking out and closing trades prematurely and entering into trades prematurely. We go to the higher time frame. 4K, I love you, man, and I don't know you yet, but if you would do this, you would be more profitable. In my humble speculation, I believe you are going on the smaller time frames. Sam too. Everybody don't type what you believe it's, oh, I know what he wants to hear from me. Type what you are doing, make sense? 99% of you are not checking the higher time frames when you are freaking out. 99% of you are checking the smaller time frames because you want to see if you're right or wrong. Don't tell me stories. I'm an old guy. Alright? I'm not going to say 100 because I don't know, but 99% of retail traders, when this happens, especially on the live account, you have a few $100 there and the market goes against you, you're going to go on the smaller time frame. You're not going to say, oh, let's go on the monthly chart. You get emotional, you start to freak out and you go on the smaller time frame. True or not true? Come on. I'm telling you, I have a camera at your place. And I have a camera and I have a crystal ball. How many of you can relate to this? You are going to close the trade. You are closing the trade with break even or a small profit just to see the market then moving in your direction. Have you been there, everybody? Can you relate to this? the market is playing around with you, you know, and you're thinking, oh, now that I've entered, you are going against me. Oh my gosh, now that I've entered, the market is going against me. Every time that I enter, the market is going against me, and you freak out and you lose your patience and you close the trade with a small profit or at break even or with a small loss just to see the market resume and go your way. True or not true? Sam says, I have learned from you to check the higher time frame, and I do all the time. Then, wow, congratulations to you. But most of us beginner traders are emotional. We don't listen to the logic. We have a money problem. Everybody, what Sam is saying is that we have a lesson about smaller time frames and higher time frames, and we have a lesson about the trading time frame and the confirmation time frame, which we're going to learn. We're not there yet. 4K, that's true, sir. I used to do that in my first month. The more I attend these sessions and rewatch the lessons, the more I'm learning. Wow, congratulations. Very good. So me, unfortunately, I learned this in the hard way. Okay, everybody. Now, going back to the consolidation inside the trend. So question number one, is this consolidation circle? No, it's not. Can somebody explain to me why the circle it's not consolidation? Who remembers the rule? For you to have a confirmed consolidation, what do you need to see? Anybody remembers? For you to have a confirmed consolidation, what do you need to have on the chart? What do you need to see? Yes, every pattern has the rules. To confirm the uptrend, you need the minimum 2 highs and 2 lows, where the second high it's a higher high and second low it's a higher low. For you to confirm a downtrend, you need a minimum of 2 highs and 2 lows, when the second it's a lower high and the second it's a lower low. For you to have a confirmed consolidation, what do you need to see? Exactly, thank you, Sam. You need to see 2 lows and 2 highs at more or less, right? Not to the pip exactly, but you need to have 2 lows and 2 highs more or less at the same levels. Okay, everybody? It's not always to the pip. So if we understand this, everybody, the circle is not a consolidation because you have 2 lows, but you have only 1 high. Can you see it, everybody? This is not consolidation. You have 2 lows, circle, circle, but only 1 high. So what we are learning right now, everybody, is that in here on the 1 hour chart example, when I'm freaking out and I close the trade and the market goes against me, you know, I'm not talking about pattern and direction, you know, I should stay in the trade. 4K says, okay, got it. Make sense? So I was thinking that, oh, my trade is wrong, or I'm trading in the wrong direction. Not true. I'm trading in the right direction. I'm just not aware. So starting from today, everybody, check the higher time frame. When you buy and the market stops you out or goes against you, or when you sell and the market stops you out or goes against you, when the market does this for 3 times, check the higher time frame, because maybe you are in a consolidation. Does this make sense? Now, trading consolidation, it's a no-brainer. Alright, trading consolidation, it's a no-brainer. Right? Buy the floor and sell the ceiling with the stop loss above consolidations. This is a no-brainer, nothing special. All right. Hello, Clara. How are you? 4K does make sense. Now, let's learn about something. Let's learn something about probabilities, all right? Trading concept. Every consolidation is going to end eventually. Everybody, every consolidation is going to end eventually. So if trading consolidation is a no-brainer, sell the ceiling and buy the floor. Talking about probabilities, you can do whatever you want, makes sense? But talking about probabilities, when you understand that you are in consolidation on the smaller time frames, based on what you see, what has the higher probability, to buy consolidation or to sell consolidation? Hello Javen, how are you? Javen, I forgot to tell you, we have the US dollar index course and basket trading. For you it's for free on Saturday 29th. I'm not sure it's the picture. Okay. We have the course, how to maximize your profits with basket trading and the US dollar index. I'm going to find tomorrow. K says to buy consolidation. Sam says according to see buy. Alright everybody. It makes sense, right? If I'm in an uptrend and every consolidation eventually is going to end, So not always, everybody, not always, but 7 times out of 10, talking about the daily chart. Okay, I don't have a statistic from the smaller time frames, you know. So 7 times out of 10, the consolidation is going to break out in the direction of the previous trend. But not always. See, here if you would buy, this time the consolidation pushed lower, and this time consolidation pushed higher. Can you see? Because an uptrend is a sequence, alright? But you are going to have the occasional loser time to time. Okay, everybody? Even though you are going to buy consolidation, buy consolidation, buy consolidation, if you want, you know, sometimes the market is going to push further down. And if you want to minimize those, you know, what pattern is going to show you. Now what you're learning right now, it's called probabilities, everybody. What pattern is going to show you that what is going to happen most likely? Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Do you remember the blue guy, everybody? What is the blue guy called? No, there are no. You have a consolidation in here, and this is the one that it's difficult to predict because the market can go into a deeper retracement. Okay, this is the difficult one to predict, but you have this one here that is statistically easier because every extension, after an extension, what must come? Wow, very good, Sam. Congratulations, you. Market wave, or what it's called the market structure trends. Okay, everybody, let's put what we've learned into practice. How would you trade GBP USD on the daily chart? GBP USD. How would you trade GBP USD on the daily chart? No, I'm not saying anything. I'm just asking, how would you trade GBP USD on the daily chart? No, I'm not saying anything. It's just a question. Or, yeah, this is a difficult one. How would you trade USD CAD? USD CAD on the day. Let me see. Let me check if it's the daily. All right, that's a better one, right? How would you trade USD CAD on the daily chart? Or the smaller time frames? Better USD CAD, easier? See, everybody, something is going to happen in about 14 days. So if you got the direction right, you are going to win on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart or the 15-minute chart, if you are wrong on the direction, you are going to lose on the smaller time frames. Let's make a poll, everybody. Buy or sell on the... Let's make a poll. Let's have fun. And we're going to see in 14 days. So let's make a poll. Buy or sell. 1 hour / 2 hour / 4 hour / daily. I'm not going to tell you much. This is the question. This is the market on USD CAD daily chart. Are you buying USD CAD on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart or the daily? Or are you selling the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart or the daily? What are you doing on USD CAD? Just an example. Yes, Bitcoin is next. Give me a second. I would buy, sir. So, 4K, you are the teacher, I'm the student, and I'm asking you, boss, why are we buying consolidation? There is no right or wrong, everybody. Don't be shy. We are having fun, right? 4K is going to buy, and I'm the student, and I'm asking, boss, why are we buying consolidation? Isn't consolidation going to go like this? Example wise. Boss, why are we buying consolidation? And Sam, I have a question for you too. Boss, why are we selling an uptrend? So this is the downtrend line, and this is the market making higher highs, higher lows. Oh, I hate you, boss. Forex course 101, it's all about the market. You are here. It's the learning phase. You are learning how to understand the market. Makes sense? So whatever you say, buy or sell, you need to understand why. There is no right or wrong. If you want to sell the market, I'm going to ask you, why are we selling an uptrend? And if you want to buy, I'm going to ask you, well, why are we buying a consolidation? What's the answer? Everybody help teacher Sam out, help teacher 4K out. Everybody on YouTube, please help them out. Teacher 4K is saying buy. And I'm asking, why would we buy a consolidation? And teacher Sam says, well, I'm going to short. And me as a student, I'm asking, why are we shorting an uptrend? Help them out, come on. For cases, a consolidation can last for a long time but can also suddenly stop. So since we said that the higher time frames control the lower ones, overall the market is bullish except that it's in consolidation phase. So my question is still the same. Boss, 4K, you're the boss. Boss, how do you know that this consolidation is going to end? If we go on the monthly, boss, how do you know that this consolidation on the monthly is going to end? Everybody help the guys out if you can. Wow, Sam has a different answer. Sam is saying, Teacher Sam. Give me a second. Teacher Sam is saying that on my chart the uptrend breaks the aggressive trend line. I'm not sure if I share your vision, Sam. My uptrend line is like this. Sam, did you break this low maybe? Maybe your trend line is from here to here, or what here, I don't know what, but everybody give me a second, maybe I have the wrong settings, preference, general, no, it's UTC, it's alright. Oh, chart, yeah, I had the wrong settings, everybody give me a second. Oh, it didn't change anything anyway. Settings, preferences, chart, GMT UTC, alright. Didn't change the daily. I have another chart. What are you on? TradingView? Sam, are you on TradingView maybe? For cases, I'm not sure if it breaks the aggressive trend line. And everybody, clone chart. So this year we have cryptos to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin daily chart. And maybe, just maybe, we are in consolidation, right? Just maybe. No, I would not see. I'm going to leave it like this for the time being. Senses on Duca's copy. Sam, would you be so kind and check? You go to preferences and you go to general and you go to chart. What is the day start time? Everybody, we have 5 minutes, then we need to go. I mean, I need to go. In the meantime, we're going to check Bitcoin on the daily chart. We can go to Bitcoin on the weekly chart too. So Bitcoin looks like that it's kind of in a consolidation right now. So starting from here, just an example. Extension retracement, well, it's not a trend, so it's going to go up to here, right? So need to readjust. Everybody, what do you think? Speculation wise, right? Is there a greatest chance for Bitcoin to fall, or is there a greatest chance for the Bitcoin to rise based on what you have learned? Speculation wise, alright? What do you think? If you say up, go up, buy, tell me why. If you say sell, go short, tell me why. Clara says fall. I agree with you. Why? I agree. I agree. Why? What's the pattern? And for the investors, right, hopefully it's going to fall down to here. Speculation wise, everybody. Sam, did you check what is your setting on USD CAD daily chart on JForex? Sam says it makes hard high, so it's going to go up. After an extension, what must come? And it is going to come. We don't know how, we don't know when, but this is how the market moves. Now it's a technical question. I will buy, boss. I can't confirm the consolidation because we are missing a second low. For me, it's definitely going up. A retracement must come. A retracement. Now, in the crypto market, we have a problem. And it's a new market and we don't have enough data. The Forex market, it's easy so far because we have a lot of data and we can trace support, resistance, pivot points. So if there would be a pivot point on Bitcoin, there would be a great probability for the market to push down. But because it's a new market, the crypto market, everybody, this is, I'm keep telling you, speculation wise, right? Alright, everybody, our time is up. Hopefully you have enjoyed the lesson. Give it a thumb up to help the channel. Thank Dukascopy, this is for you for free.